I've got something incredibly exciting for you today. What if I told you there's a proven strategy that anyone, yes, anyone, can follow, regardless of how much money they have right now, to become financially free in just 6 months? That might sound too good to be true, but I assure you, it's not. This strategy comes straight from one of the most successful investors in history, Warren Buffett. And it's not about luck or shortcuts. It's about applying timeless principles that can help you break free from financial struggles and pave your way toward wealth. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us, and you'll get notified every time we release life-changing content like this. So let's jump right into it. Warren Buffett's philosophy on wealth. Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, is widely regarded as one of the greatest investors of all time. He built his fortune using timeless principles that anyone can apply. Whether you're just starting out or struggling to make ends meet, the same principles can help you build wealth over time. Buffett's approach is simple yet profound. It's about making smarter decisions with your money, being patient, and investing in your own growth. One of his most famous pieces of advice is, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Step 1. Invest in knowledge and skills. Warren Buffett once said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. If you want to go from poor to rich, this is the first place to start. The importance of lifelong learning. Buffett attributes much of his success to the habit of continuous learning. In fact, he spends about 80% of his day reading. The idea here isn't just about reading anything. He devotes his time to reading materials that help him expand his knowledge, from business books to financial reports to economic analyses. This habit of acquiring knowledge has a direct impact on wealth creation. By continually improving your knowledge, you open doors to better career opportunities, smarter investment decisions, and enhanced problem-solving skills that will benefit your finances. Buffett himself has admitted that his success largely comes from his ability to read and learn. While others are distracted or glued to their phones, Buffett is diving deep into books, absorbing ideas, and improving his mental toolkit. Practical steps you can take today. Take online courses. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses on everything from personal finance to digital marketing to entrepreneurship. Some courses are free, while others offer certifications at a low cost. Even if you're working with a limited budget, investing a small amount in your education can pay off exponentially. Read financial books. Buffett himself recommends reading several hundred pages daily. Start with books on financial literacy, investing, and entrepreneurship. A few recommendations include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Buffett's mentor, and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Learn a high-demand skill, whether it's coding, graphic design, digital marketing, the data analysis. Learning a skill in demand will set you apart in the job market and increase your earning potential. Sites like Free Code Camp, Codecademy, and Skillshare provide free or affordable access to skill-building resources. Podcasts and audio learning. If you have a busy schedule, listen to podcasts or audiobooks that offer financial advice or life coaching. You can do this while commuting, exercising, or during any downtime. Step 2. Develop an entrepreneurial mindset. While Buffett is known for his investing prowess, he also attributes much of his success to his entrepreneurial mindset. You don't need to start a multi-million-dollar company to think like an entrepreneur. It's about being resourceful, spotting opportunities, and creating value where others might not see it. The entrepreneurial mindset focuses on creating solutions, whether it's a business or side hustle, and looking for value in all situations. Buffett started with nothing, but he always thought like an entrepreneur, which led him to see opportunities that others overlooked. How to cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset. See opportunities everywhere. Entrepreneurs look for problems that need solving and figure out ways to create value around them. It could be a service or a product, but what matters most is that it meets a need. Take calculated risks. Entrepreneurial success often involves stepping out of your comfort zone. However, Buffett is a big advocate of taking risks with proper research. For example, when he invested in Coca-Cola, he had done his homework on the brand's long-term prospects. Adapt and innovate. Successful entrepreneurs adapt to changing conditions. For instance, during tough times, you might need to pivot your business ideas. Learning to innovate and adapt is a key characteristic of entrepreneurial thinking. Practical steps you can take today. Start a side business. If you have a hobby or a skill, consider monetizing it. Whether it's freelance writing, consulting, or crafting and selling products, side businesses can be an excellent source of additional income. Look for market gaps, research local markets, whether online or offline, and identify areas where there's a lack of service. For instance, if you live in an area with no delivery services, you could start your own local delivery business. Create digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or consulting services. The beauty of this model is that it requires minimal upfront investment, and your products can continue to generate income over time. Step 3. Save and live below your means. Warren Buffett is famous for living below his means, even though he is one of the richest men in the world. His frugality has played a significant role in his financial success. Why living below your means is essential. Living below your means is about managing your expenses in such a way that you have money left over to save and invest. Many people struggle financially because they live paycheck to paycheck, spending everything they earn on non-essential items. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the temptation to spend more. Instead, continue living as you did when you were making less money and use the surplus to invest in wealth-building opportunities. Practice delayed gratification. Avoid impulse purchases and focus on long-term financial goals, whether it's saving for an emergency fund, investing in stocks, or building a real estate portfolio. Delayed gratification is key to wealth accumulation. Practical steps you can take today. Track your expenses. Start by tracking every dollar you spend. Use budgeting tools like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to get an accurate picture of where your money goes and where you can cut back. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your spending habits. Are there subscriptions you don't use? Do you eat out too often? By reducing these expenses, you'll free up money that can be saved or invested. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account or investment account. Even small, consistent contributions can add up over time. Step 4. Build multiple income streams. Buffett's wealth didn't come from just one source. He created multiple income streams, whether through dividends, business ventures, or investments. Why multiple streams of income are important. Relying on a single income source can be risky, especially in uncertain times. By diversifying your income, you provide financial stability and open up more opportunities for wealth building. Investment income. As you save and invest, you can start receiving dividends from stocks or rental income from real estate. Over time, this income can provide a steady cash flow. Business ventures. Many wealthy people, including Buffett, have businesses that generate income on top of their investments. Starting a side hustle or building a small business can significantly increase your wealth. Practical steps you can take today. Start a freelance gig. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your services online and earn additional income. Invest in dividend stocks. Start small by investing in dividend-paying stocks. Many companies pay quarterly dividends, and reinvesting those dividends can lead to significant long-term growth. Create passive income streams, whether it's rental income from real estate or royalties from content you create. Passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep. The key is to start small and scale over time. Step 5. Be patient and think long-term. Buffett is known for his patience. He doesn't chase short-term gains or get caught up in market hype. Instead, he focuses on making long-term investments that will yield results over time. The importance of long-term thinking. Building wealth takes time. It's not about quick wins, but about building sustainable wealth through disciplined investing and long-term planning. Don't time the market. Many people try to time the market, but Buffett believes in buying undervalued assets and holding them for the long run. This philosophy of buying and holding stocks or real estate has proven to be incredibly successful over time. Ignore market fluctuations. The market will always have ups and downs. If you are focused on the long term, short-term volatility won't affect your financial plan. Practical steps you can take today. Invest in index funds. For beginners, investing in broad market index funds is a simple way to gain exposure to the stock market. These funds track the performance of entire markets, minimizing risk while offering growth potential over time. Stay committed to your goals, whether it's saving for a down payment, building an investment portfolio, or starting a business. Stay focused on your long-term financial goals. Don't get discouraged by short-term setbacks. By following Warren Buffett's time-tested principles, you can transform your financial situation, no matter your starting point. It won't be easy and it won't happen overnight, but with patience, discipline, and the right strategies, you can build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Start by investing in yourself, developing an entrepreneurial mindset, and applying these strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your financial transformation starts here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.